Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you can see, I'm wearing this adorable Valentine Day special face mask. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create this beauty together. And if you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. I teach sewing, cooking and DIY projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can enjoy all the latest update on my channel. If you already are a regular subscribers, I'm sure you're already enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start our today project. Alright, so for making this adorable, beautifully heart-shaped face mask for Valentine's Day special or any party or any event, you definitely need first of all the templates. I already have a show on my channel. I teach you 3 different sizes: small, large and medium size. You can easily create it. I will put link on a description box so you can easily make your own template. I'm using a large size for this project. Then you need another template, heart shape. You can pick and choose any size. I am using this regular size. And then you need a fabric, your choice. I'm using a cotton because it's on a face mask. That's why I'm not using any applicator, because I want to have my mask breathable. So simply you're just gonna draw a heart on top of your the fabric, and then you're gonna cut around a 1/4 inches, and from the 1/4 inches you're just gonna fold your heart pieces inside, okay, and iron on top of this, as I did in this video. I did ahead so I can save my time, but this is pretty easy process to do, okay. But you can also use applicators, like I have a different 2 different color applicator fabric here, and you can just cut a heart, all right, and then cut it, and you can just use with the iron, but we are using a fabric. And then you need 100% cotton for backing, as I have used on my back of a mask. And then your favorite color, because we are doing a Valentine's Day special, so I'm using a dark red color, okay. Then adjustable elastic loops, you can use elastics and cut like a 7 inches each loop, okay. And then I'm using this garland wire to create my nose bridge bending, okay. You see how nicely it's look. But if you don't want the wire inside of your mask, you don't have to use it, but I will show you easier technique just to put inside and sew on the top of this. I'm pretty excited for the project, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm taking one side of my face mask piece, and I used fabric tape pieces on a back, a couple pieces on our corners, so we can just steady our patch, right? If you can see it, right, it's already sticking in my fingers. So after that, then I will hand embroider on top of this, okay. So you have to make sure you have to leave enough fabric to fold inside, and the seam allowance on a top and bottom and on side, okay. So just find a perfect all right. Now this will help me to just to the hand stitch or use embroidered stitch on the corners without moving my fabric and all, okay. And I'm gonna use this embroidery thread. I love this color. This one I have done with the red, but for this mask I'm using a pink color, okay. So let's go ahead and now start stitching around the corners. And you can see how nicely it's coming together. I'm gonna continually keep repeating the same technique and gonna do my embroidery, and then I will be back. Okay, so our decorative patch is ready. Now the next step is we're just gonna put together our backing patches, and we're just gonna sew around the edges 1/4 inch distance, and the same thing we are going to do with our silk fabric. Just gonna put our patches together and we're gonna sew around the edges. Then I will be back after stitching them together. Now we're just gonna open our patch, and we will have a 1 stitch on top of our fabric on a 1/4 inch distance by moving all the backing seam allowance on one side. That will secure our fabric. Okay, all right, so now you can see it's so easy to have a shape. Okay, we're just gonna iron on top of our stitches, so in that way we can have a exactly perfect curve. Okay, then I will be back. Okay, so after ironing our both patches, now we're just gonna keep right side insides and wrong sides outside. Just make sure you have a right sides ups and downs. Okay, so we're just gonna keep stitching from top to bottom, and we will keep leads opening on both sides, but we're just gonna stitch on a 1/4 inch distance, and then I will be back. Okay, now we're just gonna flip our fabrics inside out. All right, now just go ahead and we're just gonna iron on the sides of our stitches so we can make a smooth, you know, on both sides, ups and downs, upside and downside, and then I will be back. Okay, after ironing, now we're just gonna take 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, it's up to you how much you want, just take in inside. Just gonna take my both fingers and pull inside nicely. Okay, and just put a pin on a center so that doesn't get open. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly same technique on other side as well. All right, and the both sides 2 openings here, we're just gonna insert our elastic loops here, but before that we're just gonna insert our nose bridge bending wire inside, which I'm gonna show you how to do that, and then we will insert our elastic too. Okay, so here is our wire, And that's the top of our mask. You can tell through the shape. And I just simply gonna insert from here inside. This is the easiest technique because in that way we're just gonna sew with one stitch all around our mask. Just go ahead and we're just gonna fill the wire and we're just gonna do pin up on top of this. Okay, so we have insert and the pin up our wire inside, as you can see. Now it's time to also attach our elastic loops. So once all is prepared, prepped, then it's easy to just I'm gonna attach on the other side as well, and then also pin up on the bottom as well, so we can just sew easily, and then I will be back. And now it's time to sew. Alright, as you can see, our mask is ready. It's up to you if you want to have another stitch on the quarter distance to protect your elastic. If you don't want, that's fine. But overall, as you can see, it looks so pretty. And as you can see, we have created these beautifully Valentine Day special heart-shaped face masks. They are so adorable, and especially because you did hand embroidery, which make this project more special. If you really like our 2-day sewing project, please give this video big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. Feel free to share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers and continually keep sharing more sewing, cooking and DIY projects. I love you all and wishing you all a very blessed, safe day. Bye-bye.